Si mami ko,
Good morning, everybody.
makalipad ako muna sandali, pero medyo masigla na siya ngayon kumpara nung ilang nakaraw na kumpara ng birthday niya. Okay, so tingin ko naman ay okay na, no? Medyo wala namang nothing to cause for any alarm on her health status kasi marami akong kwan. I have so many subscribers who are asking about you. And they are we're praying
I am
and
only
wishing you to heal.
Within 7 days, it is still after 7 days, another medical exam.
Okay. But one thing I noticed in you that is a big difference. Yesterday and the other day, you cannot even almost utter. You cannot, as if it was a shout for you to cause your voice to come out your mouth. But today it's not natural for you.
Because I have no oxygen in my body.
Okay. But now I do believe you have a lot of
That was the
oxygen.
finding.
Yeah.
I was asked
My mother is a fighter and I inherited my blood as a fighter from her.
to have deep breathing always. And deep breathing and shout. So I keep on shouting there outside.
Okay. So
As orador.
So the doctor gave her a prescribed for her an antibiotic. So meaning to say there was some kind of inflammation inside her body.
Yeah.
She now speaks normally. Rapido, si board. I will when I return, I will not go to Bohol. I will be having a meeting with Jaime, with Councilor Damasco to talk about the radio program.
That's why it's inapakundur barok.
Okay. Masigla na si mami ko. At least. Okay. You smile. Smile big. And smile good. Smile beautiful. Okay.
I know, I have lived longer.
Okay. Anyway, just as a good news, a UP professor voluntarily wrote for me my motion for reconsideration that I will be submitting on the 14th or 13th of January. I'll be finalizing it, and I'm inviting all my subscribers who are in Manila. You could join me in my act of filing the motion for reconsideration before the Supreme Court. Maybe before I file, we'll do some short program for us to express ourselves, yourselves. Anybody who wants to speak will be called to speak. And that is what we should do. And maybe I would be preparing tarpaulin, and I would be preparing other things, no, to be done. So maybe okay. Antay mo na si Ningning. Gusto niya arroz caldo. Di ka, no? Tawagan si Ningning. Anyway, I'll call Ningning. Gano'n lang, mami, ha? Kiss me.
Right, we are in the right.
Para maswertihan ako.
Let us prove to them that the right thing always survives.
Okay.
And evil things cannot thrive in this world.
Alam mo naman, nakita ko yung dream ng mami ko nakalagay sa kanyang yearbook when she graduated valedictorian from Notre Dame Marvel.
It's in my speech.
She said she wants to be a lawyer.
Even if my mother bought books for medicine.
And one quote that I love in her was the one she wrote in her yearbook, which says, "A man think he knows, but a woman knows better."
I'm sorry to all men.
Okay.
But that is according to what I think, and maybe according to what you think, you do it.
Anyway, one thing I could share to you is she was a classmate of Bishop Orlando Quevedo.
Quevedo.
Not only bishop, she is now cardinal. She was
Cardinal
appointed by Pope Francis
Yeah.
as a cardinal in the Philippines. So she is one of the voting cardinals who will vote for the next Pope. Ganun ang mangyari. So we're proud of the legacy of Kausing legacy, Catalonia legacy here in Cotabato.
Who is the mayor now of Baguio?
Mayor na si Benji Magalong.
Magalong.
General Benji Magalong.
He is in my picture.
Ay.
He was the mayor of Baguio in 2020.
Okay.
When I visited Baguio as a delegate from Mindanao, because that time I was a delegate.
Anyway, Mayor Magalong is doing good. If it only is allowed, then I would have borrowed Magalong from Baguio to be the mayor of Coronadal.
We have danced
You have danced with him.
together. I pulled my skirt and looked like
Okay, mami. Okay, I love you.